Another day, another Cybertruck that we just finished wrapping here in Los Angeles, California. And yes, this is a satin white truck. We've already done 3 of these, very popular color. And this one's a little bit different than anything else we've ever done. Starting off with our brand new 22-inch CT7 wheels. These are fully forged wheels, wrapped with some really cool Falcon all-terrain tires. And check out the calipers. So when you go ahead and you install our CT7 wheels, it really opens up the whole braking system. And the calipers from Tesla on the Cybertruck are silver and they're unfinished. They don't even say Tesla. We painted these red and applied the Cybertruck letters in the Cybertruck font on the front caliper. Pretty cool. The rear caliper is a little bit smaller, so it just gets painted red and does not get any type of lettering, and that's pretty standard with Tesla. Now, the Cybertruck wrapped in 3M satin white is a great look. It's definitely gonna be one of the more popular color choices among Cybertruck owners. As you know, when you wrap a Cybertruck, you actually wrap over the Foundation Series badging if you have a Foundation Series truck. We go ahead and we have recreated the Foundation Series badge and we apply it in the 2 front fender locations and on the rear tailgate. Optional, but still a nice touch. Now, what makes this Cybertruck really special, and the main reason why I'm creating this video to share with you today, is what we did on the inside. So check this out. As you know, part of the Foundation Series package is the 4 door panel inserts, and the lower dash panel from Tesla is white. Well, this customer, even though he wrapped his truck in satin white, did not like the white interior decor. And you know what? I kind of agree. I love white interiors. As you all know, most of my Teslas have always had a white interior, but I just don't think it's appropriate for a Cybertruck. He wanted us to go ahead and reupholster those 5 pieces using Ferrari black leather. And that's exactly what we did. Check it out, it's super cool. It blends perfectly. I think it's so much more appropriate for the Cybertruck and definitely different. What do you guys think? Should we have reupholstered it in black? Maybe another color, bringing some color to the inside of the truck? Or maybe we should just have left it white? I'd love to hear your comments below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.